class student. Now you just answer some simple question here. Children, we can divide this 4 marker into 2 equal group. We can divide now 2 and 2. Okay? We can divide into 2 equal group. But we can't able to divide this 5 marker into 2 equal group. One side you can see in my hand 3 markers there and one side 2 markers there. It is not equal distribution. It is unequal distribution now. We can't able to divide similarly 3 also into 2 equal group. So you can see 2 in this hand and 1 in this hand. It is also not equal distribution. So all the number we can't able to divide into 2 equal group. So the number which we can't able to divide into 2 equal group are known as odd number, and the number which we can divide into 2 equal group are known as even number. Okay? So you can see here that we are dividing here into 2 equal group, this 4 marker, then 4 is the even number, but we can't able to divide this 5 into 2 equal group, so this 5 is the odd number. That you know already what is even number and what is odd number. The number which is divisible by 2 are known as even number. And how we will find the even number? We will see that the number which is ending by 0, either by 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is even. Okay? And then rest of the number is odd, which are not ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are odd number. We know that what is odd number and what is even number. So now in this class we are going to discuss about 2 more types of number, that is prime number and composite number. Okay? We are going to discuss 2 more number, prime number and composite number. You can see here there is a 9 balloons. Okay? So here is the 9 balloons. We can't able to divide this 9 balloons into 2 equal division. We can't divide into 2 equal group now. One side we can get 5, one side 4. It is not equal division. But we can divide this 9 into 3 equal division. So like that we can divide into 3 group. 1, 2, 3 balloon. 1, 2, 3 balloon. 1, 2, 3 balloon. So 9 is the odd number. We can't divide it into 2 equal group, but it is the composite number we can divide into 3 equal group. Okay. So now come to the definition of prime number and composite number. So the prime number are the number that have 2 factor. Okay, the prime number are the number which are having 2 factor. What are the 2 factor? One factor is 1 and another factor is number itself. Okay, means it is coming in its multiplication table only. We can't find this number in other multiplication table. Very simple rule. We can find this number into its multiplication table only, and this prime number is having only 2 factor. So prime number are the number that have 2 factor. What are the 2 factor? 1 and itself. So children, now 2 is the even number. We can divide 2 into 2 equal group, but 2 we can see in any multiplication table except in the multiplication table of 2. We can see 2 anywhere. So the factor of 2 is only 2 is there now, 1 and 2. So factor of 2 is what we can write the factor of 2, 1 and 2. Why we are saying about 2 first? We go for 1 only. Factor of 1 is only 1. We can say 1 or number itself. So only one factor is there. Okay. So according to definition, 2 is the prime number. So 2 prime number are the number that have 2 factor, 1 and itself. They are having 2 factor. Please note it down. That are having only 2 factor. Not more than that, but not less than that also. And you can see 1 is only having 1 factor. 1 is having 2 factor. No, now. So 1 is having only 1 factor. So 1 is not prime number. Not prime number, okay? We can see here. Now let's go for the definition of composite number. Composite number are the number that are having more than 2 factor. They are having only 2 factor now, but composite number are the number which are having more than 2 factor. 2 factor is there only, 1 and itself, and then one more number is the factor of that number. Okay? Maybe they are having 3 factor, 4 factor, 5 factor, like this. So the number which are having more than 2 factor are known as composite number. Now come to 3. 3 is having only 2 factor now, 1 and 3. We have not seen 3 in any other multiplication table except in the multiplication table of 3. So 3 is not composite number. It is not composite number. Now come to 4. 4 is having 1 as a factor. So 1 is the factor of every number, that already we have discussed. 1 is the factor of every number and number itself is the factor of every number. So 2 factor we already know, 1 and 4. And we have seen this 4 in the multiplication table of 2 also. 2 2s are 4, no? So 2 is also factor. So 4 is having 3 factor, 1, 2 and 4. So 4 is composite number because it is said that more than 2 factor. If there is 3 factor, then also it is composite number. So only we have to see that more than 2 factors should be there. Okay? Now children, you see here 1. 1 is having only 1 factor. It is not having more than 2 factor. It is not having 2 factor also. It is not having more than 2 factor also. So it is not composite also. According to definition, 1 is not composite also. So we can see that 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. What we can write here? So here are some facts about prime and composite number. First is 1 is neither prime nor composite. Just now we have seen that according to definition, 1 is not prime number and 1 is not composite also. So we can say that 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. So what is the first prime number we have seen? When we are starting, 1 is not prime. So next prime number is 2 only. We have seen just now 2 is the prime number because according to definition 2 is having only 2 factor, 1 and itself, that is 2. So 2 is the least prime number. Smallest prime number is 2 only. Okay. So 2 is the least prime number. Now one more thing, 2 is only even prime number, children. So because other even number, definitely it is divisible by 2. So definitely they are having one factor 2. Means they are having one factor also. We know every number is having factor 1 and itself. Okay, every number is having. And even number is having one more factor. All the even number is having one more factor, that is 2. So all the even number is composite number except 2. So 2 is only even prime number. Only 2 is the even number which is prime. Otherwise all the even number is composite number. So what we have learned today? First we have learned about the prime number. What are the prime number? The number that are having 2 factor, 1 and itself. Okay. For example is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the example of prime number. You can see that 11 is not coming in the multiplication table of others. Only it is coming in the multiplication table of 11 only. Okay. So these are the prime number. Now next we have learned what is composite number. Composite number are the number that are having more than 2 factor. Okay, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6. More than 2 factor, that are composite number. For example 4, 8, okay, 9. These are the composite number. They are having more than 2 factor. Okay. Then we have learned some fact that 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. 2 is the least prime number. Okay. Because from here only the prime number is starting. So which one is least? 2 is the least prime number. If anyone will ask which is the least composite number, what will be the least composite number? 4 is the least composite number. Okay. Because 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the prime only. 3 is also prime number. And then 4 is the first composite number. So anyone will ask what is the least composite number? We can say 4 is the least composite number. Okay. So and then all the even number is composite number. All the even number are composite number only. So we can except 2. Except 2, all the even numbers are composite number, and 2 is only even prime number. Only 2 is even prime number. Otherwise, all the even number is composite number. Okay. So thank you. Have a good day, children. Please note down this fact in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.